Want your team to take ownership? Start with a small habit. Follow up consistently. Many leaders think accountability is about big speeches or deadlines. Pero often, it's the small, repeated actions that build trust and responsibility. When you consistently follow up on commitments, even the small ones, yung mga maliliit, you're sending a clear message. I notice, I care, your work matters, importante ang ginagawa mo. So the team notice. They feel responsible. They start taking initiative because they know someone is paying attention, but not micromanaging. Here's a practical tip. After assigning a task or project, schedule a short check-in, not to micromanage, but to clarify expectations and celebrate progress. Kailangan mag-celebrate ng wins din, di ba? Over time, the tiny habit compounds. Your team becomes more accountable, more engaged, and more confident in delivering results. Accountability isn't created by fear dahil sinisigawan mo sila. It's created by leaders who consistently show up for their people.